In this video, you'll learn how to run Clawdbot for the first time. This guide will take you through each step needed to get Clawdbot up and running smoothly on your system. Start by locating the search bar on your Windows desktop. This is typically found in the lower left corner of the screen, next to the Start button. Click in the search bar to activate it, allowing you to type your next command. Next, type Windows PowerShell into the search bar. As you type, suggestions will appear. Look for the entry labeled Windows PowerShell in the search results. This application is essential for executing commands on your system. Once you see Windows PowerShell in the results, right-click on it. A context menu will appear, providing you with several options. This menu is crucial for accessing administrative functions. From the context menu, select Run as Administrator. This step is important as it grants the necessary permissions for executing commands that may require elevated access. A user account control prompt may appear, asking for confirmation to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. After the PowerShell window opens, you will see a command line interface. This is where you will input commands to run Clawdbot. The interface may take a moment to load, so be patient as it initializes. Now type in the command OpenClaw and press the Enter key. This command will trigger the Clawdbot application to start. Wait for a moment as the system processes your request. You will know it is working when you see a prompt indicating that Clawdbot is initializing. Once Clawdbot is running, you will notice various command options available for you to choose from. These options will typically appear on the screen, allowing you to interact with the application effectively. You can now select the option for OpenClaw from the available commands. This will allow you to access the main functionalities of Clawdbot. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different commands presented to you. Finally, you have the ability to pair Clawdbot with any applications you desire. This feature enhances your workflow by integrating Clawdbot with the tools you most frequently use. Ensure that you follow any prompts for successful pairing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.